Assistant Professor R. Sarasu is an Assistant Head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan College of Engineering and Technology, Mamallapuram, Chennai. She has 7 years of teaching experience for undergraduate and postgraduate students. She has also served as Head of the Department of Information and Technology for 2 years. She has been teaching in the area of data structures, computer architecture, design and analysis of algorithm, internet programming, advanced computer architecture, information security, soft computing, system software, web technology and advanced Java programming. She has attended various workshops and many faculty development programs. She has also presented papers in national and international conferences. She has comprehensive problem-solving ability and good communication skill with a strong inclination for teaching. Her research interests are web data mining, web data extraction, and semantic information retrieval.
Welcome to UGC lectures in computer science. We are going to deal with series of lectures in hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Today outline are we are going to see introduction to HTML, structure of HTML, rules of HTML and tags use. As we are living in the era of internet, we are going to retrieve the information from the websites. When we are dealing with website, if we click on one link, the related information will be opened and we will view the information. To create the website and links, we have several markup language. In early stage of HTML, scientists have developed HTML, which is not that much efficient. So, they have developed HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language. HTML is an hypertext markup language which is used to create websites. What is the term markup? It just gives the information about the document and the structure presentation of the web pages or the web document. When the HTML document is given, we will run that HTML document inside any browsers. We have several browsers available in the market which is free. So, for example, we can run our HTML document in Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. When the HTML document is given to the browsers will read the information and renders it. HTML document contains tags, but it will not display the tags. It just interrupt the tag and display the informations. To creativity or to make our web page more creative, we can add objects, images, etc. to our web pages. We can change the appearance of the text as well as elements of web documents using CSS, that is cascading style sheets concepts. We can save the HTML file with the extension .html. We can run this saved HTML file in any browsers. As these HTML files deals with markup, every element should be enclosed within angle brackets and each element should have opening and closing tags. We can embed text inside this tags. Let us see the basic structure of HTML documents. It contains head portions and body portions. Head portion conveys the title of the document and the information about the document which we are creating. For example, if we are creating the web page for shopping complex, we can give the title as the shopping mart name, and the body contains the list of items present in that shopping complex. So, the head part and the body part. The head part contain title and the body part contain the actual information to be displayed. As every programming language is concerned, it has its own rules and regulations. As HTML is concerned, that is hypertext markup language is concerned, it has its own rules and regulation. Let us see the first rule. The first rule is HTML is not case sensitive. That is, for example, here I have started with the capital letter bold tag and I have ended with the small letter bold tag. So, the tag is not case sensitive, but while considering the attributes, it is very case sensitive. For example, if I am using image tag inside the HTML document, I can embed the image using test.gif. It is a file name, that is the picture to be imported to the document. I have given in small letters and then I have given in capital letters. So, this both things are different, that is the attribute should be enclosed within double quotes and it is very case sensitive. So, both are different, but the tags are not different. It can be case sensitive or not case sensitive, but the attribute should be case sensitive. It is very important. And next rule is HTML is sensitive to single white space characters. That is, while we are creating the HTML document, we will generally use spaces. So, whatever the space we have specified in the HTML document, the output will be with the white spaces. That is, for example, I have rendered this document with spaces, that is I have given test of spaces with 2 spaces, the output will also be rendered with the 2 spaces. So, HTML document is sensitive to white space characters, single white space characters. And next is HTML or XHTML follows a content model, that is we can embed the tags or we can use the tags, but we have to use the specified tags in specified position. For example, UL is a tag which is used to list the elements. So, what are the elements present in UL tag will be listed using LI tag. If I am not used LI tag and I have used paragraph tag, it is meaningless. So, while we are embedding the tags or while we are writing the markup, we have to follow the content model of the HTML language. And the next rule is all the elements should have opening and closing tag. For example, if I am started with a paragraph tag, I should end with the paragraph tag. And remember that some tags is not having ending tags. For example, break tag and horizontal rule tag, that is also available in HTML. Next rule is unused elements may be minimized. As we are writing the program, HTML program, we have to minimize the unused element. For example, I have given the paragraph tag without any element, that is any text. This paragraph element contain no text. So, this is unused. So, this type of mistakes should be avoided while we are writing the HTML program. Next rule is element should be nested, that is we can embed one tag inside the another tag. For example, I have given bold tag and italic tag, and I have first one I have embedded bold tag and I have given italic tag. So, the recent tag, that is latest tag, should be closed first. So, first option is correct and the second option, that is this one, it is not correct since I have closed the bold tag instead italic tags. So, the elements should be properly nested while we are writing the HTML program. We have seen the rules of HTML language, that is hypertext markup language. Let us see the versions of HTML language. The HTML versions are 2.0, 3.0, 3.2, 4.0 and 5.0. HTML 2.0 and 3.0 does not support the advanced features such as cascading style sheets, scriptings and frames, whereas 3.2 HTML 3.2 support fonts and scripting features, and it is being improved as 4.0 with the scripting features. Advanced version is 5.0, which provides the semantic structure for web document. What is mean by semantic? The meaning. We can create a web document with meaning. So, more advanced level, which is 5.0. So, these are the things we have seen, rules and what is the mean by HTML, how to execute it. Let us start the session with the tags used in HTML. So, the first tag is heading. So, we will create HTML document or web pages, we will give headings. So, there are 6 levels of headings present in HTML from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest heading and H6 is the smallest heading. As we are creating the web document, we have to insert some text inside it. We can insert the text with the help of paragraph tags. Okay. The paragraphs can be specified within paragraph tag, that is p tag, and closing tag /p. So, within this tag we can embed our own text. Paragraph can be aligned with the attribute align attribute with the left, right, top and bottom. At this point we have a break. We will continue the rest of the tags in the subsequent sessions. Welcome back. Let us continue the lectures on HTML. We are dealing with paragraph. What is mean by a paragraph? A text. So, we can embed a text for our HTML document or web document inside this p tag. So, starting with p tag and then inside embed the text and close this with a /p, which indicates the ending tag. So, the paragraph will be enclosed within these 2 tags. And the next tag is break tag. The break tag is used to give the line spaces inside the web document. Next tag is divisions and centering. So, when we want to divide our web document into several divisions, we can use division tag. That is, it is used to divide the document into sections. What is mean by center? Center is used to center the text inside the paragraphs. So, we can see this with an example. So, I have created the heading. This large size heading specifies this is H1 and this small size heading specifies it is H6, and I have given some paragraphs with this document with the help of p tag. Let us see the source code of this document. So, we have the body HTML and body tag. Inside the body tag we have several paragraphs. So, the first paragraph is text within. So, I have started a paragraph with the p tag and I have ended it with /p. Next is I have given some break tag to give some spaces. So, I have used br tag here. I can divide my document into 2 sections here. So, the up to this one section and up to next level is this one. So, I have divided into 2 section using divide attribute and I said center. So, this is my text which I am going to display it in center. So, center is a tag which is used to center the text around it. So, see this. So, I have new paragraph, I have centered it and I have divided the entire document into 2 portions. this was one portion and that this was the next portion. So, we can divide our HTML document into two divisions by using division tags. Not only two portions, we can divide it into n number of portions. Next tag is span tag and pre tag. So, span is nothing but grouping of elements, that is grouping of HTML tags. Next is pre tag. So, sometimes we are in the position to give some white spaces in our document. So, to render the white spaces, we have to use pre tag. For example, see here the pre tag with the text inside it, and the output will be displayed as this is a pre formatting with the space retained there. So, after pre we have some space. So, the output will also contain some space. To retain the white space characters, we have to use pre tag. Let us see with this with an example. So, this is a pre-formatting text. So, I have given some white space. So, the white space have been retained. Let us see the source code of this. It is better to understand. So, I have started with HTML and body tag. I have one text. This is pre-formatting. This is a free formatting text. I have given some space here. After P, I have space, and RE I have space. In output also I have retained the same space after P and RE. To deal with white spaces, we are going to use pre tag. Next tag is list. What is meant by list? List is a tag which is used to list the number of items. While we are designing our web page, we have to list some items. For example, if we are designing the website for our university or for colleges, we will generally list the courses present in that. So, that time we need list. So, whenever we are in the position of list the items, we can use list tag. There are three types of list in HTML: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. The first list is ordered list. What is meant by ordered list? We generally list the items using numbering scheme. That is, we can list the items with alphabets, Roman letters or with normal numerals. So, the syntax here is we can use OL tag as a root tag. It specifies ordered list, and inside that we have LI tag which specifies the item should be displayed. We have started with OL tag, we have to close it with OL tag. So, this is starting and ending, and inside this we have to list the items. So, LI tag is used to list the items. Next, the attribute of ordered list. There are three attributes. We have compact, start and type. Compact indicates when we want to display the list of items, the browser can display the items with less amount of spaces. We can specify the browser to display the item with less amount of spaces using this compact attribute inside the OL tag. Next is start. What is meant by start? I said ordered list is numbering scheme, that is we have to list the items using numbers. So, the starting number should be given. So, to give the starting of the list, we can use this start attribute. And next is type. What is type indicates? What type of list we are going to use? That is, we are going to list the item with lowercase alphabetics or uppercase alphabetics. Small a specifies lowercase alphabets and capital A specifies uppercase alphabets, and small I represent Roman numerals, that is lowercase Roman numerals, and capital I specifies uppercase Roman numerals, and 1 specifies a normal numeral, that is from 1, 2, 3 etc. So, these are the values of attributes for type attribute. Next, the example, we have list the types of fruits or number of fruits available. So, with the help of OL tag, and inside that we have LI. So, I specify the type as A, indicates we have to list the items starting with alphabets with A. So, the items will be displayed with A apple, B orange, C banana. Likewise, when we want to order the items, we can use ordered list. Next list is unordered list. Here the numbering is not given, we can just list the items. Here the important thing is we can list the items using this bullets. That is, we have three types of bullets: filled circles, empty circles and squares. And the syntax is same as ordered list, and with the ordered list as a root node, that is UL tag. And we can list the item within UL tag with LI. LI is used to list the items. We can have n number of LI tags to list the items, but here no numbering has been considered, only we just display the items. So, unordered list, type I have given square and 3 items I have displayed. Let us see an example for unordered as well as ordered list. So, ordered list contains 3 fruits starting with A, B, C, and unordered list starting with bullets. So, these are the 2 examples for ordered list as well as unordered list. Let us see the third list, definition list. While we are creating websites, we can list the definitions. For example, if we are creating the website for colleges, it will list the departments available in the colleges. So, that time we can use this DL tag, that is definition list. It starts with DL tag, we can give the term. For example, if it is CSE, we can give it with an DT, and the expansion for CSE is computer science engineering. So, we can give with DD. So, DT specifies terms and DD specifies definitions. Let us see an example for definition list. The courses offered as CSE, ECE. These are the 2 terms we are going to display. So, the term should be given in DT tag and the definition should be given in DD tag. Let us execute this program. So, we have executed it. The course offered are CSE, ECE and IT. So, CSE and the definition, ECE and its definition. So, see the source, it is clear. So, first we have started with DL tag and DT CSE and its definition computer science engineering. Next term is ECE and its expansion is electronics and communication engineering. So, this is an example for definition list. We have seen various tags, that is elements present in the HTML document. Let us summarize this session. We have seen the introduction to HTML, hypertext markup language, their versions, what is meant by markup, and then we have discussed about structure of HTML, which contain 2 sections, and the rules and regulations of HTML and various tags such as list, paragraphs, breaks, division and centering. The next remaining tags we will discuss in subsequent sessions. Let us have some questions for understanding purpose. What is mean by HTML? What are the types of list available and their attributes? Create the list for any online application, and what are the rules of HTML? With this, we conclude the lecture. Thank you.